A hidden world of parasites lives within our wildlife. We need to understand why animals become and stay infected, and what impact this has on their populations. Only then can we investigate the impact that climate change might have on disease in wildlife. To do this, we need to closely investigate animal species and their parasites. To show you how we do this, we'd like to take you on a journey to a place not too far from Edinburgh, the Isle of May Nature Reserve in the Firth of Forth. Teams from the UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology have been researching seabird populations on the Isle of May since 1973, working together with students and researchers from other groups, like us here at the University of Edinburgh. Birds found on the island include puffins, guillemots, kittiwakes, and our study species, the European shag. European shags are a large coastal bird that breed on the Isle of May. They regularly dive into the Firth of Forth to catch and eat fish. Through eating this fish, shags become infected with nematode worm parasites that live in their intestines. As you can see in this video, we can use a camera to look into the bird's guts and count the number of parasites. We also know that the birds get viruses, such as Newcastle disease, along with mites and small one-celled parasites known as protozoa. Using coloured and coded rings attached to the leg of the bird, we can record sightings and identify the same individuals across their whole lifetime. We use this detailed information to build up a picture of how the shags are affected by parasites, and also why some birds have lots of parasites, such as worms, and others only have a few. But we can't explore all of these factors in the field, so after a long season on the island, we go back to the lab to dive deeper into immune patterns. Differences in the number of worms between individuals could be due to differences in the environment the bird is experiencing, the bird's behaviour, or its immune system. By exploring what drives these interactions between shags and parasites, we hope to build up a picture of how this hidden world shapes wildlife populations, and how it might change in the future.